Alright, we just got our breakfast. Got an omelet with some meat, some pancakes, and some dim sum. These are pork buns.
This looks really fun to try. I'm excited. Jake, looking sharp in that robe.
Thanks.
We're just watching Aquaman. This is a great first morning in Shanghai City. I can't believe these views though. So beautiful. Look how fun this is. Jake, what are we gonna go do?
Wow, we're gonna go down to the spa.
Yeah, Jake was so cute and he booked me a facial and a leg massage. Look how fun, they're preparing tea time. This is the patio lounge. We're gonna go have to do that. That looks so fun. Check this out. It's so high. Let's go.
Okay, I'm just here in the spa. Check this out though. Can't even see the top. Oh, there we go. Wow.
Okay, the spa was awesome.
Yeah, it was really cool. Kelsey got a leg massage and a facial. And I just hung out in the hot tub and the sauna and the pool.
It was so great. I've never had a facial before. That was my first one. And
what did you think?
I loved it. I did a hydrating one, so I feel very moisturized. Being pregnant, I've just been getting really dry face. But we're out exploring our hotel now and I want to show you guys something. So this just looks normal, right? Whoop. We're on floor 85 right now. That floor you see down there is the patio one we showed you earlier, which is floor 54, so it's still not the bottom. And then up there's an observatory, so we're gonna go see if we can figure out how to get up there. Here we go. To the cloud. Ooh, that view. So many floors. Also, let's take a moment to acknowledge these babies bumping.
Kelsey, what did you just find?
The skinniest escalators. Let's see if I fit.
Fit.
Ta-da! Twin approved. Shanghai is pretty cool.
Yeah, look at these big, tall buildings behind us.
Cute.
I know. So we're just gonna try to find some grub.
I want a McDonald's.
Of course you do.
Look at this cute dumpling man. Food options.
We found a fun pizza place.
And it all looks so yummy. Like they have salads. We've been having a hard time finding vegetables here. This all looks so yummy. Jake has got a fun drink. What is it?
It's a grapefruit jasmine tea.
Yum. Jake picked out fried fish bites. This pizza just came out and it looks so good. Those fish bites and the American ketchup. Yum. Best thing ever. Prosciutto melon just came out. Oh my gosh. I'm in heaven right now. Well, we're really enjoying this meal. Jake just got. It's a rice chicken bake. Sounds yummy. This is so fun. It's like we're walking with the trees up here. Then you got a beautiful sun starting to set. This building right here, that one, is our hotel. Pretty cool. It's really tall. Those are so cute. Oh, are they Oreos? I think they're Oreo brand.
Oreo brand.
It's awesome. We're just at a convenience store. Gonna get some stuff for breakfast tomorrow. Skittles, mints. This is so fun. Cucumber flavor, Italian red meat, Texas, American, seaweed flavored Pringles. I just want to get these because it sounds entertaining. We saw so many people eating these at Disneyland and they looked like hot dogs. I don't know what they are, but it looks like individually wrapped hot dogs. But they're not in the refrigerated section, so maybe not a hot dog. It's so fun looking at everything. Green tea Kit Kats, lychee Hershey's. These are Jake's picks that he got from the convenience store.
Yeah, so this is a soda. Mirinda. I had a Mirinda and it was like Fanta.
What did you think of this one?
Well, so that was orange flavored, and then this one I saw is lychee flavored, and so I had to try it. And it's definitely lychee colored, so it's not quite clear, but it's really sweet.
Yeah.
Like, it's really sweet. And lychees are normally naturally really sweet. But yeah, this is really sweet.
I just think these flavors are so fun. Let's open these up and see what they look like. So this one's the Dove.
The Dove, passion fruit.
It looks exciting. Does it
Yeah.
smell good?
Yeah, a little bit. I like white chocolate though, so.
I know, but it's asking like, do you smell like the passion fruit or?
Mm-mm.
No, do you taste it?
Not right away.
It's like an aftertaste.
Yeah, definitely an aftertaste.
Would you buy it again? Or eat the whole thing?
I like the white chocolate. The passion fruit was a little tart. It's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, to eat the whole thing, or yeah, to...
Yeah, to eat the whole thing and maybe buy it again.
I wanted to open the Kit Kat because they looked so fun, and it had like a tear here on the top, and it's so cute. They have them in little 2-packs, and on the top it says, have a break, have a Kit Kat. That's really cute. So that says 68%. I don't know if that means 68% green tea, but it looks like even the insides maybe
Have green.
are green.
Tea filling?
I don't know, let's open these up. I'm just really curious about them. It looks like you have
That's-
a booger in your nose.
No, I'm smelling it because that's really, like, it smells like that yerba mate stuff that I'd have in Brazil. I don't know if I like green tea flavored treats, but it definitely tastes like green tea. It's very strong.
Dun dun dun!
Probably would not want to finish that.
What's up next?
Okay, so these are double mint lychee. I should probably translate this and see what this means, if it's, because I don't know if it's gum or candy.
Yeah.
But it comes in a little thing like this.
I'm guessing it's mint.
So I'm guessing gum.
Yeah, that does look kind of like gum.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it gum or a mint?
It's not staying together like gum, so it's a mint.
Does it taste good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It tastes like it's kind of citrusy, got that tart flavor to it, but definitely mint of some sort.
Last up.
This is just apple flavored high chews. It's been a while since I've had high chews, but I don't remember being individually wrapped like this, which is kind of fun. No, maybe this is familiar.
It's called portion control. All of these are. It's awesome.
And yep, that's just normal high chew, I think.
It's happening outside now. Wow, that looks so fun.